A sharp seasonal increase in education costs prodded Brazil's overall inflation rate slightly higher in the month to mid-February. Officially, prices of several food items dropped, however, signalling a hot, dry spell in Brazil's most populated areas in early February has yet to add to inflationary pressures. The drought in São Paulo and other southern states also raised the threat of water rationing and of widespread increases in energy rates, which will likely fuel inflation later this year. Maria Beatriz David, an economist and university professor in Rio, said the immediate outlook for Brazil's economy was not promising. Growth in Brazil is slow. We won't see a substantial acceleration this year. The indices show they will stay much lower than expectations that were around 2.5%, but now seems less than 1%. A poll released last week stated that 3 out of 4 Brazilians say that the cost of living went up in the last 12 months and will continue to do so this year, with food prices seen as the main culprit. The biggest shock to spending this month was that education costs jumped 6.05% from mid-January, up from 0.5% increase in the prior month, due to a seasonal increase in tuition at the start of the Brazilian school year. High inflation has dented consumer spending, which until recent months had been one of the few growth engines for the Brazilian economy. Now what is expected to be its 4th straight year of lackluster growth. The rising cost of living could play a role in undermining support for Brazil's President Dilma Rousseff and endanger her chances of re-election this year.